following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 6:30 p.m. At 4:22 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 15 nautical miles east of Winthrop Harbor to 20 nautical miles west of Michigan City, moving east at 50 knots. More storms were located 35 nautical miles west of Winthrop Harbor to Waukegan Harbor and also moving east at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and large hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include areas along and offshore the northeast Illinois and northwest Indiana shore. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. This is NOAA Weather Radio, KWO39 Chicago. In northeastern Illinois, McHenry County in northeastern Illinois.
Jesus.
At 4:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Woodstock, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Waukegan, Arlington Heights, Palatine, Buffalo Grove, Wheeling, Gurnee, Mundelein, Algonquin, McHenry, Vernon Hills, Woodstock, Grays Lake, Libertyville, Lake Zurich, Round Lake, Antioch, Waconda, Fox Lake, Barrington, and Lake Villa. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. This is NOAA Weather Radio, KWO39 Chicago. KPTZ around 8:55 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Oh, wait, I'm getting over the radio.
This is